Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm gonna attempt to try and do my makeup almost with zero light because I lost my power and I have like zero light. Let's see how well I do. I'm almost tempted just to grab all my makeup together and just take it to work with me, but I think I'm just gonna do a simple look with very little nothing. I need makeup. I do not sleep too well, so I think the hardest part for me is gonna be a foundation portion. I don't know how much camera left is left in this part, but like, it have to get. I have to get something on my face, like, you know, cause I sleep a little. So I'm gonna be lining stuff that I know that blends legit on your own. Be a blender. Like, it's gonna be anti for slobs. I didn't get the greatest sleep last night. So yeah. So in this circumstances, I am just gonna rely on my puffs here. I am dressing up as Rosie, like one of the girls, like the girls. Hopefully my makeup blends itself because I'm like trying to like my phone is like at 5% right now. I had to turn off like all my data and everything, Bluetooth and everything, just to like. I hope get some natural light here, but it's still quite dark out because it's almost like 8:15. So in circumstances like this, I like using probably cream. I'm really getting ready in the dark. I don't know how much camera power I got left on my camera. Fluff my eye now. I'm gonna go with beauty blender here quickly, wherever I can find that brush I like using. I won't know until I get to my car. There it is. And the little mirror I have too in front of me. I haven't recharged it all, and normally I just use my ring light. I use my ring light just for like getting ready more because my downstairs area is it's very dark, quite quick. And maybe you guys turn on the fireplace for a little bit. That might help. It won't be much light, but it might help a little bit. Nope. Not at all. Oh, yeah. I'm scared of my face looks like. Just try to keep it simple, like literally, like nothing complicated on the eye. It's gonna be like 2 colors. I know I'm fine with. And plus, I'm doing this rosy look, so I think I'm able to use it pretty natural. So I'm gonna go back into my lower puff here. So I got the forehead puff. Similar to one of my Tachi Beauty puffs I used for a long time. Like I got one right here. It's a few left over from my collection. They're slowly like getting hit retire mode. Okay, so I'm gonna be taking a gamble and using some blush. Oh my god, I went too high on that one. Ah! Yikes. That's what happens when you apply. Okay. not gonna do my lip look until I get to work because I will put a red on. But I hope I don't when I get to the store. Okay, I'm gonna go down my face. Again, I was trying to keep this low complicated as possible. My face with the cover door, girl. That cream pop in the eyes. Okay, so I'm gonna go with the Dream Palette. I might be this close to my eyes to see to what I'm doing. So I'm gonna just keeping it simple today. Nothing too complicated. So I'm gonna go with Neutral in the crease. I'm playing a good dark challenge here. I'm like scared of what my eye makeup looks like. And then I'm gonna take babies and let's go over the eyes and call it a day. I need a coffee. I really want an liner though. Going for it. No, I'm not. Okay, as best it's gonna get. I'm just gonna leave that alone. Not doing anything more than that. Because I'm practically looking in the dark and I can't see what the heck I'm doing. Like, I could go light candles on this. I got some candle, but I'm like, gotta go to work. Get myself a coffee. Okay, so I'm gonna take my red lip with me. Why not at work? Set my face here. I'm not gonna put a highlight on because I don't think I'm just gonna try and keep it like kind of like that, trying to look best I can. I don't think I did too well. So I'd rather go to work where I can start charging my phone. If I need to. What is my... Oh, I'll probably put that in my purse already. Or get to my car at least. I could plug it in there. Because it's a 5% battery. Because I'm going to be taking my Dior ride with me. No. I'm going to take that ride with me with my NARS liner, which is red. Wherever it is. Taking these with me to work, apply it in the bathroom where there's lighting. Okay. And then I gotta throw a quick mascara on. Let's put those Splash Paradise. Am I leaving extra early so I can get myself a coffee and some food? Yes. Don't want to start till like 9:30. I'm going to work tomorrow. Okay, I'm gonna grab. I'm gonna put some gloss on my on. I'm gonna throw the red gloss on. It's an idea. What it looks like. It might be not the best look to see on camera, but I'm working with minimal light here. I don't know what's going on. So I will go to work here and see how well this goes. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick update. When I got myself ready for work this morning, I did mostly in the dark. I was like shocked. It still got a little bit left on me. Most of it worn off. But I'm surprised how well it came out considering I had like one light. I'm just wearing gloss most of the day. I don't know how much you see it. Power came back on roughly about 8:30ish when I left. So yeah. So shortly after I left my house, the power came back on, so yeah. So I don't know how much you guys gonna see of the footage. I'm gonna look at that, see how it goes. Shocked how well it went. My uniform turned out pretty good. Remember, my look turned out pretty good considering I just kept it the basic. And yeah, so yeah, I try post videos twice a week, so don't forget to subscribe, don't forget about, and yeah, bye, see you guys again. I don't know if it's gonna work, this video is gonna work out, I don't know what you guys see, but yeah. I had most of it. As soon as I got home, I'm like one of those people like, got me all the pants, like, take the dress pants off, the jeans off, and then pajamas and buttons. I go, so yeah.